Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm Sherley Louis with English as an American. Today's topic is simple. Remember, English is not that difficult. It's easy, but speaking American English is easier. Let's learn about do and play, how to use them. What about play? You all know when you play, it's all your body, you kind of put energy out. So it's usually about ball. You have people, you have team winning, you have another team playing another team. You have a team playing with another team. It's competitive. So when you have that, you use play. I used to play tennis when I was in high school. That's the truth. I used to play piano, and that's the truth. So check if you understand play. Do play. Do non-competitive, play competitive. Is that simple? Yes, it is. I'll see you another time. Ciao.